Find all the points of discontinuity of function defined by f of x is equal to mod x minus mod of x plus 1. First thing is I would like to show you guys mod x minus mod x plus 1, the graph of that. This is the graph. So as you can see, the function is continuous throughout. We just have to prove this. So before that, I'll do an extra bit of work so as to discuss how this function actually behaves in terms of expression. We saw how it behaves graphically. Now we're looking at how it behaves in terms of expressions. Now, we have to think of where the negative happens. Well, less than 0. When you talk about less than 0, this is not negative. Where will this become negative? When it is less than minus 1. So basically, for x less than minus 1, this also is negative, this also is negative. So basically, this is minus x minus of x plus 1. You guys agree? This would be minus x, and this expression is minus of x plus 1. Next case is this is positive while this is negative. That happens where? For x greater than or equal to minus 1 but lesser than 0. So this expression will be negative while this will be positive. And finally, we have both of them positive for x greater than or equal to 0. So this will be positive and this also will be positive. So simplify this and you will get to understand the behavior of this particular graph. Again, learn to express modulus function in this way. That's why I did this. This is an extra bit. If not, the answer is not that big. So first thing is, this is a composition of 2 to 3 things actually. It's a sum of composition of 2 to 3 things. So first thing that we can take is h of x, which is modulus of x. See, it's quite simple, as modulus of x is a continuous function. For all values of x belonging to R, this implies h of x is continuous function. Now, we will take up g of x as what? Not modulus of x, it is x plus 1. Don't take directly the modulus of x plus 1. As x plus 1 is a polynomial and all polynomials are continuous. From this, I can infer that g of x is continuous function. Okay. Now, we have modulus of x plus 1, which is composition of what? Think of it. Is it h of g of x or is it g of h of x? Look at what is the internal thing, x plus 1. Right? When I put 1, that's the first thing that we do. So it is internal thing is g of x, and so h of g of x is your answer. So this is h of g of x, which is h composition g of x. And this, from this we can infer that modulus of x plus 1 is a continuous function. And finally, f of x, which is sum of two continuous functions, is also continuous, as f of x is a sum of two, or difference of actually two continuous function. Okay, not happy with that. It's also continuous. Right? That's it. Oh yeah, the question is find all the points of discontinuity. This implies there is no point of discontinuity. There is no. Always answer to the question. If not, they'll cut marks. Point of discontinuity. Okay, yes. Yeah. This is important, even though it's not part of the answer. Please learn those.